Caleb.
Caleb.
Caleb. All right, guys, what's going on? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another episode. I am here, and I've got my first job for the dumper dog already. I can't believe how fast that happened. But anyway, so just straightforward. Got this concrete, rocks and whatnot. So the customer wants me to just haul it away. So very easy job. And then they also told me, see, this is the benefit of upselling, because I said, you know, is there anything else that you guys may need help with? And they said, actually, yeah, we just had some pine trees taken down back here in this area. And as you can see, they ground out the stumps. I can't remember exactly. It's been all winter since I've been here, so I can't remember exactly where they were. I think there was one over there. There may have been one over there. Whew, sorry for the wind, boys, but anyway. So they would like some topsoil in this area. I don't know if you can tell how the grade is. It's actually fine where it needs to be fine. It needs to slope away from that garage there, and that's actually good. So I am going to analyze that and see how much we need back in there. And then, but for today, I'm just going to be loading up that concrete right there. So pretty straightforward, guys. I'm happy though. My first job of 2020. Let's get this year started off on the right foot. So remember, hashtag green foot forward. All right, boys, let's get this loaded up and get out of here. It's not going to take me that long. All right, boys, and just like that, got it all wrapped up. Blew off the driveway here so it's nice and clean for the customer. And what do you know? There was a piece in there. Well, you saw that guy. He helped me. There was a big piece that I did not realize was in there. It was one solid piece. And I could have definitely not lifted that myself. So thankfully, the neighbor over there next door helped me lift it. But then, you see, and this is how I get a lot of my business, guys. Then the neighbor said, hey, you're going to the dump with that? I got a shower base right here. That thing is thick. and it's been in his garage for like the past 6 months. He's redone the bathroom and everything. So he said, hey, since you're going to the dump, why don't you just take that with you? And I said, sure, not a problem. Charged him a little bit of money, happy to be rid of it. And just like that is how I get a lot of my business, just from walk-ups, just like that. And so this is gonna be sweet. I'm not gonna have to hand unload this. I can't wait. Let's go. So now I just gotta roll that tarp back and off we go. Alright boys, I'm gonna have to put the camera down here. I gotta use 2 hands for this. There it is, boys, all tarped up. Oh, so sweet. All right, now let's go to the dump. This is gonna be so sweet. Problem, but this isn't a learning experience for me. This is very good. I have this big piece and now I am stuck. Now it should go. And there it is, boys. That slab was heavy, but it's all out. It didn't honestly scratch as bad as I thought it would. Like, I'm okay. Like, there's little scratches right in there on the back there. See, I was trying to avoid scratching the tailgate as much as possible. That's why I thought swinging it out would be better. But the lesson learned was the fact that there were some bigger chunks in there where the tailgate didn't swing open enough to allow those chunks to come out. So I should have just tipped it down and it would have all slid out, no problem. Lesson learned there. I know I don't do a lot with concrete, so it's not that often that I have to do that. So most of the time it's just going to be branches and debris and that stuff, and that'll be no problem. So that takes care of that. A little bit longer here than I want it to be, than I was planning on being, but it's a learning experience, and that's what I want to try to show you guys. I don't claim to know everything, but you learn as you go. So, alright guys, I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Very pleased with the dumper dog tarp kit. Sweet, awesome, and I can't wait for 2020. Let's go. Hashtag Greenfoot forward, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys crush it in 2020. Let's go.